Former FBI Director James Comey is set to be arraigned today. The two charges stem from his 2020 testimony on the FBI's Russia investigation. ABC's Nicole D'Antonio is live in Washington with the latest. Nicole?
Well, Tony, good morning. Today, former FBI Director James Comey heads to federal court. The indictment, driven by a newly installed Trump-appointed prosecutor, is already sparking political fireworks and a heated clash here on Capitol Hill. This morning, former FBI Director James Comey is set to be arraigned at a federal courthouse just outside Washington, D.C. Last month, Comey was indicted and charged with lying to Congress and obstructing congressional proceedings, allegations he denies.
I have great confidence in the federal judicial system, and I'm innocent. So let's have a trial and keep the faith.
Comey's indictment came after President Trump pressured the Justice Department to prosecute his political enemies, including Senator Adam Schiff, New York Attorney General Letitia James, and Comey.
If they're not guilty, that's fine. If they are guilty or if they should be charged, they should be charged.
Comey was indicted by newly appointed U.S. Attorney Lindsay Halligan, a former Trump defense lawyer with no prior prosecutorial experience. She replaced a different U.S. attorney also appointed by Trump, whose sources say did not believe there was enough evidence to prosecute Comey. Comey's indictment, a main topic of a debate in a fiery Senate Judiciary hearing on Tuesday with Attorney General Pam Bondi.
I'd like to know from you what conversations you've had with President Trump about the indictment of James Comey.
Senator, I am not going to discuss any conversations I have or have not had with the President of the United States.
Did you see that the night before James Comey's indictment? You had dinner with the President of the United States. Pretty intimate group.
Actually, there were a lot of people there that night. That's a great picture.
Was James Comey discussed at that dinner?
I love that picture. That's a great picture.
Democrats demanding answers, but Bondi defiant.
This is supposed to be an oversight hearing.
Oversight?
Excuse me, you can attack me after my time is over.
You've attacked all of us, including President Trump, for your entire career.
You can attack me later,
And ahead of Comey's arraignment, the Department of Justice has added 2 assistant U.S. attorneys from out of state to work on the case. An FBI agent was reportedly relieved of duty after refusing to help stage a public arrest of Comey, although FBI Director Kash Patel called those reports false. Guys, back to you.
All right, Nicole, thank you.